Welcome everyone, it's James here at Your Next Car, bringing you the walk around video of the 335D M Sport Saloon. So as always, we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to point out to you some major talking points and features. Starting with the exterior, it's presented in mineral grey, and alongside that we've added a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. Included in that is the 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels that are all brand new with brand new tyres, and of course they look incredible set against the mineral grey. At the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2016 16 plate. Also has the LED headlamps. Moving on down the side of the car, sitting behind those very eye-catching 20-inch alloys, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes. That is thanks to the car being equipped with BMW's fantastic M Sport Plus package. Down the side of the car also, you'll see the satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals, along with the sun protection glazing, again also thanks to that M Sport Plus package. Moving forward, we'll go and show you the interior, which again is the very nice black Dakota leather in this car. We've also got the optional electric movement and memory for driver's side, along with the heated seat option, and again everything is exceptionally clean and tidy within the interior for the car. We've got, of course, being the 335D, we've got the 8-speed sports automatic, again in combination with that X-Drive 4-wheel drive system, Harman Kardon surround sound. And we'll now move round towards the rear of the car to show you the rear seat configuration, which is where you'll find the Isofix 3-seat rear bench with a centre folding armrest, and of course you've got that very nice contrasting darkened M Sport headlining. Just before we make our way to the very rear, again showing you off these very nice alloys that sit very well against the 3 Series. At the back we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching diffuser. And of course there you can see the 335D and of course X-Drive badges. And although we've got that sophisticated 4-wheel drive system underneath the car, we don't lose either passenger compartment or luggage compartment. And again, everything is exceptionally clean and tidy within the boot area. Moving round towards the other side of the car, you'll be able to see that this mineral grey colour on this car not only looks very well in terms of the combination without all of the additions we've made here, but also again is all very clean and tidy. Before heading on inside the car, one last look at these wheels, because there is yet more very special things within the interior of this car. We've got some very nice optional extras. Again, there's those memory controls. We've also got power folding mirrors, and we're getting on inside now to show you around a little bit further. Starting the car up there, you can see that very nice professional wide navigation and media screen. A huge option for the interior of this car is the heads-up display. So as you can see there, sometimes it can be a little bit faint to see, but there you go. We've got a digital speedo. However, it's not only speed that will be displayed. Should we choose to have a sat-nav route set, it will display turn-by-turn directions. It will also give us warning messages, i.e. should I open the door. I've currently just got the side lights on to demonstrate those LEDs, and of course it will give me warning messages throughout that as well. Moving back over to the widescreen, we've got the navigation system. We've also got Bluetooth for telephone and audio, along with DAB and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. Going down here, we will see that the dual climate control, along with our switches for our heated seats. Back over on our multifunction M Sport steering wheel, we've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. The vehicle itself has covered just over 78,000 miles. However, hopefully throughout this video you've been able to see that it is in exceptional condition throughout, and also comes backed with full BMW service history, again for that bit of peace of mind. And again, we'll view that straight away. Now, the next service is not due for 18,000 miles time. And again, if we go all the way to the bottom, starting there, first service all the way up to the very most recent service, which as you can see there was carried out very recently at 76599. And that was indeed for a full service, which again is fantastic news, not only for that peace of mind that it's fairly recently been to BMW, but also for the fact that your next service on the car is only going to need a very basic oil and oil filter change. So thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. Hopefully you've been able to enjoy it. For further information, if you check out the link in the description, it will take you through to the website alongside direct contact details for us here at Your Next Car. Once again, thank you, and hopefully guys, we'll see yourselves very soon. Do of course take care, and goodbye.